This is the Galaxy Note 10 Plus or a black 512 unlocked. And it's kind of a polarizing Galaxy Note, as you can see. You heard of it, and it happened. No headphone jack. Samsung, why did you make fun of Apple? Nobody would care if you didn't make fun of Apple. It's a glass phone, so expect fingerprints to easily be put on it. You can easily wipe them off, though, so that's not a big deal. You can also get a case. This is a reboxing video. Say you hate the in-display fingerprint scanner. Say you also hate that dongle life. This video is for you because this is how you can rebox your phone to return it to Amazon or Best Buy or wherever you bought it. This is everything you get with your Note 10 Plus. USB Type-C headphones, which are actually not too bad. You also get your Type-C to Type-C cable. And then you also get this fast charging brick, which is 25 watts of fast charging, which is nice. And the phone itself is a really nice phone, actually. I'm really liking it so far. It does come with your standard paperwork. You also get your S Pen tips that usually come with the Note phones. But overall, it's a pretty nice packaging. It's not too bad. It's black everything to go with the Aura Black, which is nice. But I think Samsung usually gives you quite a bit, but they don't give you the dongle in this one. And for $1,100, I would expect them to at least give that. Come on, Samsung. Even Apple did it for at least a year. But overall, I think the Note 10 Plus is a pretty good upgrade for the Note 8s. If you had a Note 9, that's kind of a more if you're wanting to be a tech head and you want to get the newest and the greatest. This is a front-facing video coming from the 4K footage of the punch-out camera. Looks pretty good, not too bad. You can also control your actions with your S Pen if you want to, like Harry Potter, when guarding Leviosa to go to selfie mode, or food mode, or Instagram mode. Yeah, there's an Instagram mode on this now. That's super weird. It's a great camera, though. Time-of-flight sensor on the back, wide-angle camera. It's really good overall package. I highly recommend the Note 10 to really anybody that really wants a great phone. It's kind of pricey, definitely shouldn't be as high as it is, but overall it's great. If you guys enjoyed any of this, if you wanted to see a reboxing video, which you've probably never seen, if you want to see more weird tech videos like that, feel free to follow or subscribe. My most recent videos will be here somewhere. I should have a link here. Also, a link here should be for my channel. So if you like what you see, come back. All right, have a good one. See you.